nice little. That's a pretty good proxy of what it's like at the end of the Goop loop.
Yeah.
So, there we go. And then, okay. So she's that way. All right. And then you can see there's this little spot that goes right back to the way we were.
Oh, where?
Yeah, so.
What?
Actually, you know what? If you guys want to stay right there, I can just bring your stuff through. I'm gonna put this back over here inside of the entrance. All right.
Who would want to, I have her backpack.
Oh, okay.
Who would want to come drink down here?
You first. All right, you ready?
That just seems weird.
You might want to take it off your back and kind of just put it in front of you and push it.
You would not like it. Would it be easier if I grab that stuff from you?
Yeah, that'd be helpful. The place.
Oh,
Stuff
word.
gets caught up on this. So, you know, and on top of that, now we've got like laser guided stuff. It's just more accurate. Kim, you can just leave that stuff there if you want. And then we got walking. I've actually never been on this side, but I know what's here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there they are. Ugh. Everyone good back there?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
All right. Okay.
Found out I was skinny enough.
Yeah, you know, I might stand up for a second here and see if I can't. I probably have been like this whole time.
Yeah, I didn't think about it until just now. I was like, oh, wait.
Right. Well, I'm looking at where the survey marks are,
Yeah.
and it's like, all right. Okay. It opens back up over here. Here we go. Is Kim okay back there?
Yep, yeah.
All right. Now remember, anything we go through, we got to get out.
Yep.
sunlight right there, yep. And there's the,
Oh yeah.
there's the other sinkhole.
Nice.
All right, so we're gonna double back, and that will be probably a little bit more forgiving than this side was actually.
Cool.
So, and then we'll get to the second sink, and then we've got the rest of the cave.
Good deal.
Right on.
All right, well, and we'll stop and drink some water when we get to the second sink.
Cool.
You guys
All right.
go first.
Wearing glasses sucks. I just freaking. You following me?
Yep.
All right. That's a mistake.
Well, don't say that now that we're all in here.
Yeah, I know, right? Just going this way. Have your feet gotten wet yet?
No.
No? Oh, see, you're careful. I've like, my feet have already gotten a little wet.
Or I just have better boots.
Huh?
Or I just have better boots.
That could be. Boulder choke. Man, the stuff I gotta get down for low, you would just kind of like a little stoop.
Yep.
Now it'll feel cooler because we're getting into the like actual thermal part of the cave. So now you'll start to get kind of cold. Or you won't be sweating as bad. Just to give you guys like a distance, there's about like 75 survey stations, I think. So, you know, based on the number, you can kind of get a little bit of an idea of like how close you are to the end. Come on, you never wanted to walk in the sewers and look for Ninja Turtles as a kid?
Now I have.
Yeah. And guess what? They're not here.
I'm gonna tell my brother.
Yeah. It's kind of interesting. They like cut these to like razor edges.
Right.
Water about up past my ankles. Ugh, that gets stuck. All of that you're seeing is like little bits of sand. That's what sparkles, makes the wall sparkle. Little grains. The silica. Yeah, it's like right at your right height. Look at you like a key. Oh. Good so far up there, guys?
Yep.
All right.
I can see your light.
Well, yeah, I see you guys. Just making sure you don't have to worry about us. You don't have to worry about getting too far ahead or anything. Just, like I said, there's only one way in, one way out. Oh, limbo. Yeah. This is crawl space. Really slippery floor. Prepare to get wet.
I am.
This is the spot, this is where I was surveying, so this is where we were laying in this water for hours and...
Yeah, no thank you.
Yeah. Can't be getting too far from the waterfall.
I can hear it.
Yeah. This is where your feet gonna get wet, Kim. Kim. And blinding her. So we got the water coming in through right here. Kind of gets in this crack. Stops right there. Flows over the rock here. Down on that ledge. We've got a little bit of it coming down here and into this basin. And then comes down on the floor and just continues down the passage, I think. Whee! Both coming down here and just proceeding down the main bed. For a little bit? Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, let's go. And you're gonna start to see the starts of why they call it the Goop loop, because
Yeah, the floor.
yeah, this shit is, it's like quicksand. It's like, yeah, it's like literal quicksand.
Yeah. Almost.
Water continues to flow on the ground. All right. All right, we are at the Goop loop.
Nice.
Alrighty. So, all right, here we go.
Up to you, doesn't matter.
Come on. Y'all doing it. Y'all doing the hard part. Water cold enough?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But refreshingly cold, right?
It's like a nice cold.
Yes, it is. Okay. All right, so there it is. Nice little, and it goes that way. And here we have exposed ceiling where you can stand up. Oh, the goop gets it gets goopy here. It gets way deeper. Oh. Looks like it's just vomiting the goop.
Yeah, right.
This thing. Y'all through?
Yep, I'm right behind
All
you.
right.
Stand up, but I'm following pretty good.
All right. I gotta get started.
I don't have to hold down.
Forget it, jump in front later.
Everyone all right? You guys all right?
Yep, we're good.
All right. You see really quickly why elbow pads are recommended.
Yeah.
And we're out. Now hold up. Don't come out yet. I want to get a picture of you guys. There we go. Give me a thumbs up. There you go. Oh, well, let me zoom. Nice.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was super cool.
Yeah. Give me a thumbs up there, bud. Hold on, I gotta get my... Man, All right. Y'all want a picture together? Sure. Try to get in here really quick. Oh, damn it. It's trying to... All right, let me see if... No, that just makes it to where I can't see your face.
Oh, here, turn ours
Here,
off.
let's turn ours off then.
Yeah, there you go.
You have them?
This is really... elevation 60.
You know, so this is a stupid question.
Yeah.
I'm almost wondering if you look at these layers, how the scallops are really compact here, but really
Yeah.
wide here. I wonder if it's like this was a point when the water was just way more
that's what I was
choppy
thinking.
and more
Like,
It
calm.
was flowing faster. That's
That makes sense too, because the faster it's going, you know,
Yeah.
digging more.
really
Yeah.
thick compact and then these really like wide scooped out.
Yeah. But it's almost like you can just tell by the layers like how bad it was.
Yeah. I think this happens from like raindrops and stuff too.
Well, but drops aren't getting in here though.
Well, precipitation from the roof.
I don't think that's happening too much. No.
Roger. I was like, I've seen it on outdoor rock things.
Yeah.
I was like,
It would. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's drips,
Yeah.
but this is constant pelting. You know. This just seems more like what would happen if the water just was constantly, like maybe it was going fast through here, so
yeah.
the scallop ripples are smaller. And then these areas right here where it's cut out, it must have leveled off and stayed here for, you know, however many years. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's like looking at trees or ring trees, tree rings.
All right. Kim?
Yeah.
All right, just making sure you're good. Oh.